Hello everyone and welcome to my Scribus tutorial series. In this video I will show you how to use text frame in a document on Scribus. First, make a text frame. Once you make the text frame, right-click the text frame, click Sample Text, choose Standard Lorem Ipsum, and click OK. You can rotate the text frame by clicking the center of the base point. Then you can increase the value of rotation by scrolling your mouse up or down. Or you can press this arrow beside the rotation. You can change the base point of the text frame to change the rotation base point of the text frame. For example, I will click the right corner base point of the text frame. Then when I change the value of the rotation, the right corner of the text frame will rotate instead of the center of the text frame. You can change the text frame's shape rotation and the text itself will remain horizontal. By doing that, go to Shape. Go to Edit, and here you can change the shape of the text frame itself by increasing the value of rotation. And then click Rotate the path clockwise. You can do the opposite rotation. I can drag the nodes of the text frame. I can add nodes and drag those too. I can make the text frame's shape curve by clicking the Move Control Points. And then click the Move Control Points Symmetrical. We can use shapes as a text frame. Go to Shapes, click and hold. Click Default Shapes, click the triangle shape and make it. After that, right-click the triangle shape, go to Convert to, and click Text Frame. This is now converted into a text frame. Right-click again. Click Sample Text, click the Standard Lorem Ipsum and click OK. To let the text follow the shape of the triangle properly, go to the text properties and click the Align Text Force Justified. I can increase the size of the font. I can increase the fixed line spacing. I can also choose automatic line spacing or align to baseline grid. You can also change the typeface of the text. And that's pretty much of it on how to use text frame in a document on Scribus. If you want to watch another video related, or relevant to this video you're watching right now, I have a playlist for you to watch. Just click right here. It has a list of sequenced video tutorials for you to watch. I recommended to you to watch this video tutorials in a sequence, starting from top to bottom video. If this video found to be helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.